Hi everybody, Mr. Steve here. Well, there's still a lot of snow on the ground. The kids got a second snow day, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, the sun is up and it's nice and bright, so I don't think the snow is going to be lasting that long. So I thought, why don't we just do a video where I walk in the snow? I like the crunch crunch sound that shoes make when you're walking on snow. So that's what this entire video is going to be. Just me walking in the snow. Something different. Hope you like it. That is not my kid. Just want to take this time to say, oh, very deep. two got buried. You following me? Okay. Now I got two kids following me. So that's our video. Hope you liked it. Do you guys like the snow? I think that by now it should be clear that I don't. But if you do, that's cool. And I hope you like this video. Say it's summer and you're really hot and you're burning up. You can watch this video and hear the crunch, crunch, crunch of our feet in the snow. And that'll make you feel better. Hopefully.
Yeah.
So be sure and like and subscribe and all those things I'm supposed to say because I'm on YouTube. We'll see you later, guys. Bye.
Bye.